Today's video is on the top 3 best poker tables. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget. Raykeep Poker Table Foldable. Imagine gathering your friends or family for a night of laughter, friendly competition, and a few unforgettable hands of poker. That's exactly what this folding poker table brings to the table, literally. Designed to seat 6 to 8 players comfortably, it's perfect for card games like blackjack, Texas Hold'em, or any gambling style fun you enjoy. But it's not just for poker nights. This multi-purpose table fits right in at family gatherings, parties, outdoor picnics, camping trips, or even casual get-togethers while traveling. Wherever the fun goes, this table can follow. One of the best things about it? The foldable design. No complicated setup that eats into your playtime. Just unfold it, set it up in minutes, and get straight to the action. When the night winds down and the cards are packed away, the table folds back up for easy storage. Whether you live in a big house or a cozy apartment, this space-saving feature means it won't get in your way between game nights. Comfort matters when you're playing for hours, and this table delivers. Around the edges, it features padded rails that feel soft to the touch, letting you rest your arms without strain. Even during marathon poker sessions, you won't be shifting in discomfort or rubbing your elbows. It's all about keeping you focused on your cards, not your aching arms. The playing surface itself is made with a casino-grade felt material. It's smooth, pleasant to the touch, and gives you that authentic poker room feel. Plus, the felt reduces noise when cards, chips, or other items hit the table, so no loud clattering to distract you from the game. It's these little details that make the whole experience feel more professional and polished. And because poker nights and drinks go hand in hand, the table comes with deeper cup holders built right in. They're designed to securely hold beer bottles, soda cans, or cups, so you can sip your drink without worrying about spills. No more balancing your drink on the edge of the table or setting it on the floor where it might get kicked over. In short, this folding poker table blends convenience, comfort, and style into one smart design. Whether you're hosting a lively casino night, spending time with family, or just want a portable gaming setup for trips, it's got everything you need for hours of fun, and all without taking up precious space when the cards are put away. Smash that subscribe button like you're flipping the table after losing with a full house. Number 2, best overall, Barrington Poker. Multiple styles folding poker table. Ever wished you could have a poker table that's perfect for high-stakes play but also transforms into a stylish dining table when the game's over? That's exactly what this urban poker table delivers, combining tournament-level design with practical, everyday use. At over 7 feet long, it's spacious enough for serious Texas Hold'em sessions, yet compact enough to fit comfortably in most game rooms. And the best part? It ships mostly pre-assembled, with a 2-piece dining top you can store away until it's time for dinner. The craftsmanship here is worth talking about. The mainframe and apron are built from sturdy plywood, wrapped in a sleek, wood-grain, PVC laminated finish. Around the edges, you'll find a plush 1.3-inch thick PVC leather armrest, perfect for keeping you comfortable during those long poker sessions. The playing surface itself is made from solid MDF and is just over 3/5 of an inch thick, giving it that solid, dependable feel every poker player loves. Now, let's talk about the playing surface. Measuring 75.5 by 32.5 inches, it's covered in smooth black felt that makes dealing cards a breeze. Whether you're playing Texas Hold'em or any of your favorite poker variations, this surface delivers the right mix of style and functionality. 10 deep metal cup holders, each 1.22 inches deep, keep your drinks secure so you can focus on the game without worrying about spills. The legs are just as impressive as the top. Built from MDF for strength and stability, they feature a faux concrete style PVC laminated finish that adds an urban, modern vibe to your setup. Plus, adjustable 1.5-inch hidden leg levelers make sure the surface stays perfectly even. no matter where you set it up. Setting it up is a breeze. The table and legs arrive mostly pre-assembled, so you'll just need to attach the legs and crossbar support. For the best experience, a room size of about 12.5 by 7.5 feet is recommended, giving players plenty of standing and moving space around the table. And here's a feature you'll love: the included 2-piece dining tabletop. Made from 1-inch thick MDF, these pieces let you transform your poker table into a stylish dining table whenever you need it. When not in use, the dining top can be stored neatly under the table, keeping your space organized and ready for the next game night. By the way, which of these poker tables would you choose? Tell us in the comments. Number 1, our pick, Triton Foldable Poker Table. Ever wondered how to take your regular game night and turn it into an experience that feels just like a real high-end casino? Picture this: you've got the cards, the chips, and the players, but instead of a mismatched setup of kitchen chairs and an ordinary table, you have a professional-grade poker table paired with a complete set of matching chairs. The moment your friends walk in, the vibe changes. The atmosphere feels charged, everyone's excited, and you're instantly ready to shuffle up and deal. That's exactly the kind of upgrade this premium table and chair combo brings to the table. Literally. This all-in-one set is designed for serious fun and smooth hosting. It features a casino-inspired poker table that seats up to 10 players, along with 10 sturdy folding chairs. The table is laid out just like the ones you'd see in a professional tournament, complete with padded armrests that make long sessions more comfortable, and built-in cup holders to keep drinks safe and the playing surface clean. The chairs in this set aren't just an afterthought. They're built to keep your guests comfortable and engaged. Each one is lightweight, yet strong, easy to move around, and folds for quick storage. The fact that there are 10 chairs means every player gets their spot at the table, eliminating the awkward scramble for seating or the need to drag in mismatched chairs from other rooms. Now, let's talk about the playing surface. The poker table features a smooth, spill-resistant mat that makes cards glide effortlessly and chips stack with ease. The cushioned edges allow players to lean in comfortably during those tense, high-stakes moments, while the strong folding base ensures the table stays sturdy throughout the night. Every detail is designed with the player's experience in mind. The individual armrests give each person a sense of personal space, while the built-in cup holders keep drinks within reach without crowding the table or risking messy accidents. It's a layout that keeps the focus on the game and the fun, not on avoiding spills or shifting around uncomfortably. And when the last hand has been played and the chips are counted, packing everything away is simple. Both the table and chairs fold down easily, allowing for compact storage in a closet, garage, or even the trunk of a car. This makes it perfect for small apartments, temporary game rooms, or hosting poker nights at different locations. If you're looking for a way to add style, comfort, and a professional touch to your game nights, this table and chair combo is more than just a smart investment. It's a game changer. It transforms ordinary evenings into unforgettable events filled with laughter, friendly competition, and maybe even a few legendary bluffs. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research, so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.